Yeah, all gone. Your boy Cash Capri here representing for the guest list and mixtape. Just want to give a big thanks to everybody who contributed, participated in this project. You know, the project is almost over, so keep sending in your songs and your jingles to make this project be a success. Shout out to everybody who contributed. Nomad Carlos, Kabaka Pyramid, Five Steez, Young Eagle, Gully, Mix. You know what I'm saying? Everybody who supported this tape, just want to give a big thanks and a big appreciation because right now Jamaican hip hop is on level that it should have been years ago. So give thanks. Shout out to Tg Sniper, Sniper Sound. Shout out to Shorty, Siri, you don't know what I'm going. Beat makers, producers, Money Music Entertainment, Mpcboyz, that's the thing. You know what I'm saying? The guest list, the mixtape, just basically a compilation of various artists from Jamaica who does hip hop. So the, if y'all get the preview already, y'all see what I'm talking about. The preview was just a mind blower for everybody. Nobody expected it to sound that good. Like them say, out of many one people, a we that will come together, the thing just sound great. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mason Master, Ignorant, get it so proper though. You know what I mean? Shout out to my boy Image, shout out to my boy D Shade, shout out to the whole Chemistry Music family, shout out to all the bars, shout out to D Black, or E Black, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. The beat that you're hearing now is produced by Shorty Siri of the Mpcboyz. His label Money Music Entertainment. You know what it is. You can log on to SoundCloud, check out all those beats if you're a first timer, on the mixtape trail. Volume 2, the guest list volume 2 is about to, in works right after volume 1. So the work continues for y'all, the work always continues. You see me? So we have to step on a bigger scale with this. We have to be who we be and who we are. The road is rough, but we were built for it. Everybody knows that. We were built for this shit. Hip Hop in Jamaica. The guest list. Mixtape drops soon. Watch for the artists.